I'm in a multi-purpose strata building, half commercial and half residential. The COO has identified several issues needing repair and maintenance. However, the commercial owners are insisting that no noise is acceptable during working hours and have asked that all work be done after hours. The contractors are either not able to apply premiums for after work hours, while the commercial owners are not impacted by the work. Now the residents are affected after hours. What are the guidelines for regular maintenance and work relating to safety issues like steps, pathways needing high pressure wash to remove potential trips or slip hazards? And commercial owners have recently stopped the contractor engaged by the COO and told him to return on the weekends.
Yeah, a very difficult situation all around. And yeah, I can certainly understand from the commercial owners' point of view that they want to run their business and not be disturbed by that. But really, they have to understand that they're part of a community. And any strata scheme is like that. It's a community of people, and in this case, it's a mixture of residential and commercial. And they have to understand that building maintenance is going to be required from time to time. And certainly the description of the maintenance where they're high pressure washing downstairs and access ways to get rid of trip hazards, you would say that's a fair and reasonable request. So I just wondered what communication happened between the Council of Owners and the commercial tenants before the work took place. It would have obviously been a good idea to give the commercial owners a heads up before the work started, maybe talk about suitable dates, rather than possibly just engaging the contractor and getting them to work and not thinking about how that might impact on the commercial tenants. But if there was some discussion and the commercial tenants just don't like it, but for no particular reason, then I don't think it's unreasonable to expect that the commercial tenants will pay the difference between normal hour rates and the after hour rates. And that might get them to think about the situation a little bit differently.